Think about what is at risk, what is at stake, your time, maybe potential revenue, potential profit, potential growth of your business. These are like tangible things, but intangible things are peace of mind, assurance, trust, confidence. In this video, I want to cover one of my consultation with care home company. So the director of care home company, she reached out to me after watching my videos on sponsor license on YouTube. She instructed a lawyer for a sponsor license for her care home company, which got refused just because she wasn't advised properly in terms of her compliance pack. So home office these days, they do one or two: either they send you a query asking number of questions as to how you would meet your sponsor license duties, or they visit your premises to do checks, and that's called compliance visit. This client hired a lawyer to prepare her sponsor license application for her care home company, and she received an inquiry from the home office asking how you would meet your sponsorship duties, and she failed to provide a corroborating evidence explanation, and then she was refused, not having right policy procedure and not able to demonstrate her compliance for the sponsor license. And the downside is not just the refusal, it's just £576 in the home office fee. So that wasn't a big deal for the client. There was a ban for 6 months where she could not reapply. So there's a cooling off period for 6 months. If you get refused because of non-compliance of your sponsorship duties, you cannot reapply for next 6 months. That was a blow for that client. I made it very clear, look, there is nothing much, I'm so sorry, I can't help you more, but if we can connect again in next 4 months time, it will be enough time for us to prepare the best possible application. So normally we can prepare application in 2 to 4 weeks time, but I asked client, we have a luxury of time, so why don't we connect at least 2 months in advance and prepare your sponsor license application? So she reached out to me again, say, yes, look, we are ready to proceed. I have 2 care home companies. Please help me with sponsor license application. I said, perfectly fine, we can do that. I will ask one of my colleagues to connect with you, to onboard you as a client, and we'll take it from there. What happened then after she said, oh no, but we just want to do it for one business as of now because of the cost constraint. So at times client find it expensive. Oh, that's a lot of investment. Said, okay, let's do it for one. I said, fine, you can do it for one. Then I said, no, I'm going to do it myself because the home office website is very comprehensive and I believe I can do it myself. I said, no problem, you can do it yourself as long as you are confident, but you were refused previously, and I know based on my consultation she is very busy. She wants carers like yesterday. She is losing business. She is getting a lot of contracts from NHS and she is not able to deliver them. I said, you are losing a lot of revenue, a lot of profit for your business. I have no problem if you were to do it yourself, if you're confident, or even if you find another law firm who can do it in a more cost-effective way for you. But please be assured, like, you want to hire a law firm whom you can trust and have assurance and peace of mind to help you achieve the outcome you want to achieve, because you don't have luxury to wait for another 6 months should it be refused, because you are losing so much revenue, so much profit. So when it comes to cost, my advice to the client was, this is how I want you to compare. Let's say you are paying us £3,500 plus VAT, but then there is that sense of assurance. You get that peace of mind and confidence that there is a professional solicitors firm who has been doing it for last 13 years, who is a subject matter expert I can trust. So that's the investment for something we provide, like hand-holding support, provide you with a proper system which you can use it for foreseeable future to protect your license. If there was a home office query or inquiry or visit, prepare you, we train you, we provide you a lot of template which has been tried and trusted. It's all inclusive within this fixed fees package. Now I can understand, and I also acknowledge you might find a better cost-effective solution out there, and feel free to explore that. But would you find same sort of assurance, trust, a peace of mind, or do you have luxury to take risk? If you have luxury to take risk where you don't have problem of waiting for another 6 months would it be refused for compliance issue, then go for it. And if you have luxury to wait for another 6 months, do it yourself. If you are confident, do it yourself. Do it with another law firm, perfectly fine. After my explanation, I can't name the client on this video, but I said just compare the fees you are investing versus the potential revenue or potential profit you might lose over next 6 months. It's not about the expensive. I think as a business person, I'm a business person too. I'll invest funds if it's providing me a return on my investment. So I'll try and compare that. So there is nothing expensive or cheap in business, as long as whatever you're investing in business is providing you value. So this is how I would invite companies to think it through. And it doesn't mean like you should hire the most expensive law firm. It doesn't mean you should hire us. It's more about the thought process. The thought process should be like, if I'm investing this, am I getting value out of it? And that value could be in different means. For an example, potential loss of revenue, trust, peace of mind, assurance, that confidence. So there's a lot, to consider when it comes to value for the investment. There is a lot of value in it, but again, it varies person by person. So the conclusion of this video is, feel free to explore options. Do it yourself if you want to do it, or if you want to hire other law firm. It doesn't need to be us, to be honest, but think about what is at risk, what is at stake, your time, maybe potential revenue, potential profit, potential growth of your business. These are like tangible things, but intangible things are peace of mind, assurance, trust, confidence. So these are intangible things which may not be too important for someone here. So my one message is, do your calculation. Please take a piece of paper and pen and note it down. The tangible risk, intangible risk, tangible gain, intangible gain, tangible loss, intangible loss. Make a list of everything and then make a right decision for your business or for yourself when seeking professional legal advice. Hope this helps. Just give you a bit of perspective how to choose immigration law firm. And I wish all the businesses to get the sponsor license in first go. I feel very sad and disappointed when I see this sort of refusal. We believe it's not too complex to get a sponsor license. It's a straightforward process. But I can say that confidently because we've been doing it for last 13 years. And because of this huge experience, we as a company have so much confidence bringing sponsor license for businesses, be it a 0 employee company, be it a 1,000 employees company. We have a standard policy, procedure, templates in place where we can provide hassle-free turnkey solutions at a lightning speed. So thank you so much for watching. This might give you a bit of perspective when hiring law firm. All the very best for your sponsor license application. And yes, we do have videos on compliance and how to prepare sponsor license application on YouTube. If you are thinking it to do it yourself, please do watch those videos. These videos are full of golden nuggets which might give you a quick start preparing your sponsor license application. There is also a webinar almost 1 hour long on how to prepare a sponsor license application, and on top of that there is a lot of information on my website with a lot of FAQs answered. Please use that material if you are thinking of preparing your application yourself. Thank you so much for watching again, and if you like my content, please subscribe to my channel. We just want to spread a lot of knowledge, experience and expertise at no cost to large audience through YouTube videos and of course social media. I'll be sharing one of my another experience of a consultation in next video, so please stay tuned. You may want to find out that video now. Watch that video, subscribe to my channel. If you like my content, please press the like button. And yeah, you might have some follow-up question because I'm very passionate about creating video content. So just drop your question in the comment section below now, and we'll prepare video just for you next time. Thank you so much. All the very best.